start by making the buttermilk first. We have warm milk and vinegar. Feel free to use lemon juice because we are making a lemon loaf. Give it a stir and keep it aside. So let's start making the sponge. For that we need all-purpose flour, sugar, milk powder, baking powder and baking soda. Give it a quick mix. In goes our wet ingredients. First the buttermilk, melted butter, key lime essence and of course some yellow food color because this is a lemon loaf. Mix using cut and fold method. Some lemon juice and lemon zest. Fill in your cake tins or loaf tins and it's ready to bake now. So the tin is filled and it's ready to bake now. This is how beautifully it's baked. Look at the color. I'll show you the texture. So now once the lemon loaf is ready, let's make some glaze to drizzle on it. So we need icing sugar and some lemon juice. Don't pour it all together. Keep whisking. You can even use a spoon and see this is the kind of consistency that we're looking for. So if you would have added the entire juice, then it can be really runny. So you need this white kind of a consistency and a drizzling consistency. Now, once the lemon loaf cools down, you can fill in a piping bag and start drizzling it.